everyone, tonight we're making salmon fish cakes with ginger and chilli, and me and Ollie are going to have it with some sweet potato and broccoli. So with your salmon fillet, the first thing you want to do is just wrap it in foil and put it in the oven to cook, and then get on with chopping your potatoes. I'm just going to peel these and then boil them, and chop them up and then boil them until they're ready to be mashed. While I'm waiting for my potatoes to cook and my salmon to cook, I'm just going to throw in to the bowl all of the other ingredients that are going to go into this, so then we can just mash it together and use this time. So I've already put my ginger in the bowl. I don't actually have any parsley or dill, which is a massive fail, but I thought I had dill in the freezer, but I don't. It was tarragon. But it's still going to taste nice, so I'm just going to put a teaspoon of ketchup. I remember when I made this for the first time, I thought it was really random, but trust me, it works. It's really nice. Some English mustard. I'm going to do half a teaspoon. In some chili flakes. Now you can do this to taste. If the kids are having it, you can leave them out. But the chili works really nice with the ginger and the lemon. So I've just put some of those in. I'm going to wash this lemon and then I'm going to zest it into the bowl and just use a zest. Sweet potatoes already in the oven. I've just roasted it with some garlic, some red onion, smoked paprika, olive oil. I haven't put the broccoli in yet because I'm going to do that later because the sweet potato is going to take a little bit longer than that. My lemon zest is going to go in. I basically made this recipe up. I'm kind of following a BBC recipe, but I'm adding ingredients like the ginger and the lemon and the chili because Sainsbury's do a really nice fish cake, and it's got that stuff in it. So I'm going to check my potatoes and see how they're doing. So my salmon is now out of the oven and it's all cooked through. Just flake it apart to see whether it comes apart easily, and if it does and it looks all pink, that's fine. I mean, it's pink before, but the right kind of pink. I'm just going to flake that up and put it in with my mixture, which I've just mixed around. My potatoes are ready, so now I'm going to start mashing them, and I'm also going to chuck the broccoli into the oven with the sweet potato. So now I'm going to add my potato to my mixture and gently mix it together, and then we're going to shape it into fish cakes, and then we'll come to the funnish part. So you want to measure out your ingredients for the dunking. So what happens first is you'll shape your mixture into fish cakes. So this does too, so I'm going to just half it. And then we're going to coat it in the plain flour, and then we dip it in the egg, beaten egg, and then we put the breadcrumbs in. Just a little tip: don't put all the breadcrumbs in the bowl at once because it can get quite messy. So just like do a bit at a time, and then just add more once you need to, because you'll see what I mean. It will go like clumpy, and you don't want that on your fish cakes. So I've got some oil in a pan. You could bake these instead of frying them, but we're under time pressure and it's quicker to fry them. So I'm going to heat my oil. I'm going to use olive oil just because it's one of the healthier ones, but you can use whatever you want. I ended up making a slightly smaller one for me and then a big one for Ollie, just because that reflects our appetites and whatnot. So I'm just going to heat that oil first, and I'm going to check on my roasts. And I'm going to cook these for about 3 minutes on each side. I'm going to get the oil really nice and hot. Get a spatula as well. But these would be really nice with like real breadcrumbs. I've just used some of the golden ones from the you buy from the shop. But I bet like proper nice breadcrumbs would be nice for us. I'm just gonna get the fridge out of the oven and dish that up while we wait for these bad boys. So what do you think, Ollie?
Really tasty. So good.
What the flavours are you getting?
A bit of chilli. It's obviously salmon. Not sure what else. Let me just try it again.
Remember to eat it nicely though.
Bit of lemon.
That's one other vital ingredient you're not tasting or recognising.
Something else there, but I'm not sure what it
Do
is.
you want me to tell you what it is?
Yeah.
Ginger.
Oh yeah, definitely ginger.
No, you can taste it. But yeah, it was a very nice, successful dinner. Here it is.